Hey, robot. What's up, guys? How y'all doing, man? It's your boy E from Young Tama. How y'all doing today? Yeah, so we just posted up at the cribbo. Got a pickup for you guys. These have been sitting here for a while, as my packages usually do. I have been waiting for some studio lights to come in. You know, the stew looking right now. I watched the YouTube video on where I'm supposed to put the lights or whatever. So I think I did it alright. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, man. So I just got another unboxing for you guys. I really been fucking with shoes that have like no hype behind them. So retail price on these is like $120. Right now on the original retailer website, they going for like $66, something like that. So I had looked around and I came up on the steal, boss. This is the first time I bought from ASOS. And it came in pretty quick, man. No double box here, but hey, you know, if you paying for the low, you can't expect for too much. Before I open these, just a heads up, man. If you want a technical review, this ain't it, chief. This is just gonna be like a casual wearer's perspective on the shoe. Fuck it, let me stop talking about it. Let me open these. Here we go. Oh, whoa, this is weird. This is kind of weird. This is a weird box. Adidas Original Ozweego trainers in white with multi. Got a US 9. Website says go up half a size. Adidas sizing to me is always off for some reason. So I just kind of do my own thing. I went down half a size, so listen, man, this is a steal. Where's the receipt? No receipt, nothing, bro. ASOS was selling these for $40. That's the low right there. Retail is $120. Adidas is selling them for $66. So 40 plus shipping and tax. I think it was like 48. And man, I'm not complaining. You can't complain about that. This can't be the box they come in. This off the mannequin right here, bro. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Nah, they right. Yeah, so what we got, Adidas Ozweegos. Just saying Ozweego is just fun to say. I feel like if there was ever a modern day dad shoe, there's a few out there. Take it back. It definitely fits the bill. As far as the tech goes on these, just to do like a quick tech review, I guess. You got two different type of Adidas technologies on the cushion. Adidas Plus on the forefoot there. On the back or the heel, you got Adidas. Now the difference, Adidas Plus is more of the bouncy technology, and then Adidas is gonna be more of your cushion. It makes sense to me, I guess. As far as the shoe itself, we're looking at mesh, man. Old school in design. You got a breathable mesh on the forefoot, wraps all the way around to the back. You got like a neoprene kind of heel counter. No cup inside though, so stability might be a little weird there. But you do have this little area right here on the, what is this, the midsole? On the midsole that kind of projects upward to kind of keep your heel in place. That's kind of cool. Got a couple hits of suede here on the mud guard. Got like a little rubber toe guard as well. A couple plastic pieces over here on the shoelaces. That outsole is pretty interesting as well. It's like some pod designs on there. Then you also have some Adidas branding on the bottom. Right here it says designed by Adidas in Herzo. Is that a place or something? What is that? Can you see that? Right there. On the back you have this little piping that goes around, if you can see here. So from the shoelaces it kind of wraps around. So I'm talking about these little pieces on the inside right there. Those kind of wrap around. Move this out the way. It's not one piece, I don't think. It doesn't feel like one piece of like plastic tubing, but the design of it kind of wraps around to the back. Then you have some script on the back. What does that say? Can you read that? It says 2098. Ozweego, Adidas. I don't really wear Adidas. I'm about to be that guy with the Adidas shoes and the Nike socks. Inside you have a neon yellow that matches the piping there around the back. So we got a neon green and like this aquamarine blue. Just noticed. So in the front of these, you can kind of see like a stitched layer. It's It's like a translucent stitching on the toe guard there to kind of help with, you know, you're talking about mesh here. So when you don't cut your toenails or whatever, you don't want them toes poking out the front. Let me put my foot in that thing, bro. Ooh, they kind of comfy, bro. That's what all the cool kids are wearing these days. You know? I'm just trying to keep up. Yeah, these are fire, bro. So that's it for the Ozweegos. I can't wait to start wearing these things, man. It's probably like the first kind of chunky dad shoe that I own. Thanks for tuning in. So we got the lights all set up, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Your boy about to put in some work. Let's get it.